We are in lockdown mode and you're working from home. There are things from your usual busy work life which cannot be done at this moment, so you have time to spare. How can we best make use of this time? What is best for your company and your team? I have an idea. My role with Printvis is to train all our consultants at our partners so they can be good Printvis consultants. But I would also like to work with you. Staff from Printvis customers can now sign up for a training and certification track that we make available currently to our partners, but now also to you. So if you work for a company that has a Printvis system, you can now tune in and learn more and test your skills in Printvis. If you complete the track, you will have learned a lot, and we'll send you a certification that you can brag about to your family. The training is in chapters, and you can upload each chapter and get response to that from a senior consultant. That will be me, typically. You'll be guided to literature, so you can find information about each chapter, and you can find that in our support website. We have this offer open for you for the next 3 months. You can see more on our website for the details. Good luck, I hope to see you there.